Guys, this is EJ Class Car Lover, and today I got a special video where I'm going to react for you guys. This video is called Ultimate Trains vs. Semi Trucks 2019.1 Accidents, Close Calls, Crashes, Near Misses, Locomotives. So, let's not waste any time and get started, shall we? James goes to dash 8. Dash 9. That's Meshkin. This is an old-fashioned one, so you know this is from the 1990s or the 80s. Well, 90s, if you believe me or not. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, there goes the crossing again. That's bad. I'm sorry, but that's bad, though. I ain't mean to laugh, but that's bad. Whoop. There goes to Nathan P5. That's a bad one right there. The bell's still ringing and stuff. Okay, this one is gonna be bad because this is one trucker think he can beat the train. Look at this big truck. He gonna hit him. Watch. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Probably hit that railroad crossing signal too. Oh, this is gonna be bad too. This is one of the rail locomotives that can carry a lot of stuff. That's gonna hit him. Oh. That's bad right there. Oh, he almost hit him too. Oh, I hope they all right. This one gonna derail after he hits that crane.
Holy Mother of Mumu.
Ooh, it's derailing.
Oh my God! Tell me he got out.
He probably did get out. Oh, the railroad crossing destroyed. Some damage right there. The truck's still moving. It's gonna move. After this guy hit by a train. The most part he damaged too. Okay, why would he try to beat the train? Dude, there's some crosses in front of you. Arrow crossing probably gonna get destroyed too. Oh. hit him.
Oh my God!
This is bad. Dang.
Yes.
It's bad right there. Oh. There goes river crossing. There goes the boat.
Yes! That was the best! Oh, there it is. Oh, shit.
The guy got out though.
Yeah, I'm sure he did, leaving the truck like that. Ooh, that could have been bad. What if it hit the gas pumps? That could have been bad, but luckily it didn't happen. Why would he try to turn even though you hear the train horn? Dang, dude. You kid shouldn't have got that close to it. Another one of these truckers trying to beat the train. Oh, I hope the engineer's all right in there. I hope he all right. That was awful. Oh, that was a light one. Lucky that was not a big one. Man, lucky that was just a little one. But that could have been bad.
No idea why that truck would be going up there.
Swift. And there's another stupid trucker that just decided to go straight to the tracks. Look how stupid he is. Look what he's doing. That is so dumb right there. Well, guys, that's in the video. So I want to say bye. I'm just joking. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.